Welcome to our Christmas card video. We are here in the Gember, the VR platform we actually use a lot for our teaching with the Leadership Network. And we would like to use this platform where we, Christian and me, can be very close together in a very safe environment to explain our Aachen resilience model that came out of the research project SPACER, funded by the Bundeswirtschaftsministerium, a project where we look into the opportunities of AI and machine learning to improve operational resilience. So the framework has along its horizontal, the typical 3 dimensions of resilience management. What can you do to sense and set up to prepare before a crisis? Then, like where we were now with our Christmas card, in crisis when our annual supply of creativity didn't show up. And then, of course, every crisis is a chance to learn the post-crisis stage. But different to the established frameworks, Christian had the great idea to differentiate this into 2 layers, which are about what, Christian?
Actually, the idea came from the interaction with the colleagues from engineering who always understand like resilience in the terms of robustness, of defending against the unknown. So your processes are in double and you can never be affected by anything. So we said we need a second component in this, which we landed from sports, where after some rest, your muscles actually grow stronger after activity, which we call supercompensate, which basically means you can adapt to a crisis and grow stronger from it than you have been before you get in. So a crisis isn't actually a big shock, but can actually be your driver for the future.
And along this, we'll come up with 6 resilience management strategies. Well, one is to prepare. In the case of our Christmas card, we could have really used AI and machine learning to recognize the early signals that this Christmas is coming again at the end of this year. We totally didn't thought about it, but we could have used it. But we also could have parried, meaning,
being the idea of we foresee that something might happen and think of strategies how we could cope with this. So maybe in the sense of our Christmas card, well, since years we are late with our Christmas card and Christmas always comes out of the sudden and disrupts our processes. So maybe in preparation for 2022, we say we do not do a Christmas card at all, but already prepare for the Easter card and surprise you at a different date.
Well, then in crisis, we were in crisis. The supply chain disruption caused our creativity not to arrive. And so sure would be that you just get a Christmas card, go to the Christmas stores, and buy some standard UNICEF cards and so on and just send those out. But we also could have adapted.
Which basically is what we did. The card you found, which has the QR code you clicked to get to this video, is basically our rapid time adaptation to what we did not have. We did not have the time to get additional creativity, so we designed with what we have on board and also with what we have in technology, so presenting you this VR video instead of a better designed card to make use of what we actually do have, and hopefully you like it.
Well, and every crisis is an opportunity to innovate, as we know in innovation management research. So recover would mean that I finally put this big reminder in my Outlook agenda that we really are the first to order our creativity we need for the next year's Christmas card. And we really create processes that we never come into this crisis again.
Or we realized that learning from 10 years as innovation managers for us actually means the process of designing a physical card every year is just not for us. So maybe we employ a fancy artificial intelligence to collect the most important topics of the year. Don't do a physical card at all, but surprise you with a Christmas card 10 times a year, every month, 12 times a year with a bit by bit Christmas card in virtual fashion.
So, you see, resilience management is a huge topic. It gets a new interpretation by AI, machine learning, Industry 4.0, the digital twin. We hope you got you some inspirations, but now, most of all, Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year, and for given reasons, stay negative.